Repair Clinic makes fixing things easy. With millions of replacement parts available on our website and the help you need to do the repair yourself. Please always refer to your use and care guide and installation manual before beginning any repair, as they are the primary sources of information regarding your appliance. Warning: electrical shock hazard. Disconnect power before servicing. Replace all parts and panels before operating. Failure to do so can result in death or electrical shock. Before you replace the water inlet valve in your refrigerator, unplug the power cord and shut off the water supply. Use a wrench to help unthread the nut to release the water supply line from the inlet valve. Be prepared for some water to spill. Use a 1/4-inch socket or nut driver to remove the screws securing the access panel. Pull the panel out and remove the power cord retainer from the panel. Next, disconnect the inlet valve wire harness. Use a 3/8-inch wrench to depress the locking ring and pull out the outgoing water line. Use the 1/4-inch socket or nut driver to remove the valve mounting screw. Then remove the old valve from the panel. You're now ready to install the new water inlet valve. Position the valve in the access panel. Replace the mounting screw to secure it. Insert the outgoing water line into the new valve. Position the access panel and connect the wire harness to the terminals on the new valve. Attach the power cord retainer to the access panel. Then fully reposition the panel. Replace the screws to secure it. Remember to secure the 2 water lines with the retainers. Secure the water supply line to the new valve with the nut. With the repair completed, turn the water supply back on. Plug the power cord back in, and your refrigerator should be ready for use. At Repair Clinic, we make fixing things easy. Thank you for supporting the production of these videos by purchasing your parts from our website.